Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do that turbo snail exercise in Onshape, and of course I used sketches, not 3D wireframe geometry, because that's almost not available in Onshape. So let's have fun with Onshape. So in order to get a spiral, I need a helix, and in order to get a helix, I need a revolve. So let's start with a sketch, maybe on the front plane. And this should look something like this. Okay, add some dimensions. So this would be 235 divided by 2. And that length should be 235 plus 46 divided by 2. And that dimension doesn't really matter. Let's go for 100. Close that sketch and make a revolve with this sketch, and the axis should be this line here, and confirm. Now I can go for a helix, and I want not a complete revolution. Let's see if I select that surface here. I want only 7/8 of a turn. So go for 7 divided by 8. Start angle 0 degrees should be okay. And I want it to be not clockwise but counterclockwise. Yes, and confirm. Now let's hide that part, which leaves me that helix. And now I can do a sketch on the top plane and project that curve into my sketch. So go for use and select it and close that sketch and hide that helix here. Okay. Next I need a plane. In this case I could use this one because it's already there. So go for another sketch now on the front plane, and I need that point in my sketch and a circle right there, and diameter might be 50 millimeter. Close that sketch. Then we need another plane through that point, normal to that curve. So go for a plane, and that would be curve point. This would be the curve, and that would be the point. Yeah. And confirm. Now I need a sketch on this plane. Again, I want to use that point here, and that circle might be 18 millimeters. And close and confirm that sketch as well. I might hide that plane here. Let's go for a loft. This should be a surface, a new one. And I want to start with this one. And second one is this one. Now add a path, otherwise it will not go in the correct direction. And now I could force this normal to the sketch. So go for start profile, go normal to profile, and end profile as well, normal to profile. And confirm. Now I will need two planes to split that surface here. So go for a plane with an offset, maybe 6 mm in one direction, and another one in the opposite direction, again with 6 mm, like that. And now I can split that part. So I want to split this surface here with the upper plane. Confirm. And then I can split this part here. So go for another split. And this one here with the lower plane, which should be that one here, and confirm. Now I can hide that surface. Now, where are my planes? I need a line from this point to that point, and I think that's the one. No, where is the plane? This one, to do a sketch over there. So let's start with this one here, and I want to use this point and that point. Let's draw a line and confirm and close that sketch. Now for the second line on the front planar sketch, again use this point and that point and connect it with a line and close that sketch as well. Now let's go for another loft, and I want to use for my new surface this line and that line as profiles, and I want to use guides. So this edge should be a guide. Interesting. And the second guide, yeah, of course you have to go for new, and the second guide would be this edge here. So it looks okay, and confirm. Now I can make a Boolean operation, make a union between this surface, that surface, and this surface, and confirm. Now for another loft, let's go here, and I want to go from this edge here, so I have to switch to surface, from this edge to that edge, and I want it to be tangent to the surface and tangent to the surface. And I can, of course, change the magnitude here. So, what's the first one? Edge of loft. That's this one, and that's the other one. Okay. So I could change that magnitude to, let's say, 0.5, which would bend this more in that direction. So if I go here with my another loft, it would not collide. But I will leave it at the moment at 1. Because right now it doesn't really matter and it should be a new surface. Next I want to split this, therefore I need a line because I need a plane with an angle. So let's do a sketch on this one here. Should be a construction line from that origin point, and it should be, which plane did I use? The right plane, okay. Should go straight up. Confirm, and now I can do a plane with an angle, and I might hide this one, or I might hide at the moment all the planes. Okay, now do a new one, add an angle, line angle, this one, and I need a reference, and the reference I could go for the front plane, and the angle should go in which direction? So let's go for 2 degrees in the other direction, in that direction, and confirm. And then I can split the surface here with that plane and confirm. I could hide that one, yes. Now I want to do a loft once more. Let's hide that surface for the moment, and that would be surface 4. So let's hide this one. Let's go for another loft. Again, a surface. It should start with that edge here. A new one should be tangent to that surface. And then it should go to this edge here. And again, it should match tangent. Okay. Let's bring back that surface 5, I suppose. No, 4. And add guides. 1 guide, 2nd guide, and confirm. Great. And hide that surface. Now I've got this plane and I got a 45-degree plane. Can I use this one? Let's take a look. That's not really. Okay, so I want to go for a sketch on the top plane. Sketch on the top, no, not on plane 1, but on the top plane. And I need that first sketch visible. Let's hide that surface. And let's bring in that curve as construction. This one. And now I need a tangent arc. And this should be not for construction, maybe like that. Okay. Confirm. Let's go for a new plane. Curve point, this curve, that point here, confirm, and then the sketch on that plane. Let's use that point. I need a circle, diameter maybe 60, and confirm. Let's bring back that surface, surface 2 I suppose, yes, and I need another loft. No, stop. First I have to break that circle here. I almost forgot this. So go back to sketch 9. And I need to break it with 2 points here and there. So let's draw a rectangle. Maybe go to left view, hide that surface. And I need a rectangle, a construction rectangle. Maybe like that. Is that the correct? Yes, it is. Now add a dimension. This might be, yeah, let's go for 20. And this point could be the midpoint of that line. So it's symmetric. And now I want to break this circle. Let's see. Usually it's here to find. There's a split. Split and open a closed sketch curve at one or many points. Let's see. That would be a point, and this would be a point here. So let's see if it's broken. Yes, it is. And close that sketch. Now I can do, of course, a loft between that small arc. I have to go for a surface. This small arc here. That one. And this edge here. That kind of hard to select. This one. And yeah, go for new, and it should match tangency at least here. So let's take a look. Yeah, this could work. And I can go, of course, here normal to profile. Like that, and you could change here the angle of the plane or the magnitude of that loft here. So this looks okay. Confirm. Let's bring back surface 2 and let's do another loft and bring back that sketch. Another loft, again a surface. It should start with that profile, go up to this profile. And let's go for guides. One guide would be this one. And that would be the second guide. Looks okay. Let's see if we can add a path as well. Might work, might not. Seems to work. Great. And would be great to go normal to profile. Seems to work. And for this one I need it to be matched tangent if possible. Seems to work. Great. I don't want to merge. I just want a new one and confirm. Very nice. Now I could make a Boolean with this surface, that surface, this one, that one, and this one. Let's confirm and see if I've got all the surfaces I need. I just need to hide. Yeah, I've got every surface I need. I could hide all planes, hide all sketches, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.